Hey guys, Jonas Bingaman here with the CGRV Group. Today we're going to be checking out what I think is a pretty cool park model. This is the brand new for 2025 Elevation 5-124. Come on inside. To me, what makes this unit stand out is you get everything that Elevation is known for. You get really, really high trim, you get expert craftsmanship, and you get phenomenal service with this brand new floor plan, which I'm really excited to show you. So obviously in the front, you've got this great big living space, room for the whole family, room that you're gonna need, because as we'll see in a second, this is actually a 3-bedroom unit. So you can get 3 full bedrooms, enough for your primary suite, for you and your partner, plus up to 4 bunk beds, which you can actually bump up to 6 if you really want to. So plenty of sleeping, enough for the whole family. Pull out couch if you have any additional guests, friends coming over for the weekend, they can have their own kind of space too. Yeah, but plenty of room up here in the front. Nice big windows too. For most folks, maybe your views out to the water, or your views out to a beautiful park, which we've got a lot of here. So you've got these great big windows out here, which are A, gonna let a ton of natural light in, and B, are going to allow you to look out to what you want to see, the great outdoors when you're camping. Obviously your entertainment center there, a nice cozy fireplace that does throw off some heat, also gives off some great ambience. You can turn it on without the heat just if you want kind of the nice little campfire vibe, but say it's raining outside, you're still covered up. The TVs all come standard. It's always nice kind of at the end of the day to bunker down with the family and throw on some Netflix, so you're good to go, covered off there. You got our great big kitchen space, full-size residential appliances throughout. Get some pretty cool features with this one. Specifically, we went with our our solid surface countertops on this unit. All their cabinets, which are a really big standout to me, are all made by a residential cabinet shop. So these guys are known for making really, really high-end residential cabinets, and then Elevation took those and put them in the park model room, which is phenomenal. So you get a full cabinet box. You're not getting wall board turned into a cabinet. It's a really, really high-end, robust product that's going to last your family for years down the road. We got our nice island here with our live edge top. So really just kind of a nice touch that gives it that more camp outdoorsy kind of vibe. Stainless steel appliances, obviously gas range, so you can make your bacon in the morning. We've got a good sized bathroom in here with a stand-up shower. Obviously nothing's plugged in, so it looks a little bit darker, but these units are really, really bright, especially with those transom windows up there, letting in as much natural light as possible. But full stand-up shower, residential flush toilet. You're not dealing with an RV toilet as much as we can help it. This room here is what I like to call the flex room. So in this configuration, we've got set up with a bunk above and a desk below. So, say if you have 3 kids, maybe one's a little bit older, and you're going into more of those extended sort of camping seasons, those 6 months, and you want to be out there for the weekend, your kids still got a place to do your homework. Or if you're a working professional and you want to be out at the trailer more, you can work from the trailer. Moving on back, we've got the second bunk room. So this is kind of our standard 2-bunk setup. Still with plenty of storage. We've got our 3 drawer base there. It's gonna be plenty of room for your swim shorts and summer wear. Again, lots of natural light. Here's kind of a cool part of this, which I really like. Walking into the back door, you have this little cubby area, so it gives you plenty of room to store all of your coats, and one of these stand-up closets and shoes and stuff can get tucked underneath. The thing that these guys do really, really, really well is making functionable storage. So it's not just putting cabinets for cabinet's sake, it's keeping cabinets in places where it actually makes sense. And stuff like these little hooks, so you can just hang your light jackets on for kind of, again, some of those more extended seasons. Again, you can see the cabinet construction here, all dovetailed manufacturing. They're a really, really, really solid cabinet. Nice. The best that I've seen in the park model industry for sure. Moving back to your primary suite. Here we've got a nice queen size bed. Again, storage is the name of the game. We've got plenty of it here. This bed will also lift up, and it's on pistons, so it makes it super easy. Obviously we've got all of our boxes and stuff stored away there until it's need to get set up, and then we set it up and you've got a full underbed's worth of storage. That's great for stuff like extra sheets, the stuff you want to keep up here until you go back home to be able to do laundry. So yeah, this unit's available right now. We do also do custom units, so if you've seen some of our other videos on our website, we do the 7 series, which is the high-end trim package. This unit's also available in that 7 series trim package. So if you want things like the Anderson windows, G Cafe Series appliances, stuff like that's available in this floor plan as well. I'm Jonas Bingham with the CGRV Group. Thank you very much.